And then what is habituation? What is habituation? What does that mean? What was it? A repeat? So like a habit is what you're thinking about?
Oh, yeah.
Habituation is getting used to something. Let's just call it that. It's, here's a signal that I'm getting that I don't need to pay attention to. It tells you what to ignore. Like the classic example is the person who has an apartment near the subway and the train goes by every night and they sleep through it every single night, but when their alarm clock goes off, which is quieter than the train, they wake up. Did their brain hear the train when it went by? Did the tympanic membrane vibrate and the little to go into the oval window and the cochlear nerve got stimulated and all of that stuff happened and the signal was sent. And the brain was like, that's not an important signal, that's just a train going by. That happens every night, I'm not worried about it, and it doesn't wake you up. The sleep and consciousness part says stay unconscious. Whereas the little beep, 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 or whatever your alarm is now, mine's like a little song comes out on my phone. But when I hear that, wake right up, right? Wake right up. Right? Is that, oh, that's a signal that means this, you need to wake up. That consciousness thing, we're gonna change that. Right? So that's it. Habituation becomes very important in a lot of things in life. You're in a crowded restaurant, there's a bunch of noises going on, you're trying to have a conversation. If you couldn't block out the other noises, you couldn't have the conversation. It's just chaos in your head, right? It doesn't work. So you gotta be able to do those things.